guys, welcome to my channel which is Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita. They say that breakfast is the most important part of the meal throughout the day, and they also say that our breakfast should be very nutritious and healthy. So I thought let's just make our regular normal breakfast more healthy by adding some more vegetables to it. So today's recipe is vegetable poha. So to make vegetable poha, we'll be needing the following ingredients. We will be needing poha here. This is medium sized poha. You get thin and fat poha. I'm using medium sized poha. I have taken about 2 cups of poha and it will easily serve around 3 people. 1 medium sized onion which I have chopped. 1 potato which I have chopped into slices like this and I have kept it in water. And I have used about 1 medium sized carrot, 7 to 8 beans and half a capsicum, and I have steamed this in cooker. I've taken about 7 to 8 leaves of palak which I have chopped finely. Salt to your taste. 1 teaspoon of sugar, chilies, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 1 teaspoon of rye and 1 teaspoon of jeera, that's mustard and jeera, juice of 1 lime, and I have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil. So to steam the vegetables, firstly we'll add in all the vegetables. Now we'll add in about 1 tablespoon of water, another tablespoon of water, and we'll steam this on medium flame for about 2 whistles. Now we'll check if our vegetables have got steamed. Yeah, as you can see, our vegetables have got steamed and cooked really well. Our steamed vegetables is ready. So now we'll get into the process of soaking our poha. Firstly, what we'll do is we'll keep this poha. So now we'll add water to this and we'll wash this well. Now we'll drain off all the excess water. Now we'll again add a little more water and drain it off immediately. Take this out, and to this add in salt to taste, add in our sugar, and we'll add in our lime juice and just mix this. So now to start the process of making poha, firstly we'll heat it about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. I'm using just 1.5 because this is a non-stick kadai again. Now once our oil is heated, we'll add in the jeera and the mustard. Now once our jeera and mustard starts spluttering, we'll add in the potatoes. Okay, these potatoes till they turn golden brown in color. Keep your flame on medium high and saute these potatoes. You can see our potatoes have turned into golden brown in color. So now I'll add in the chili. Once our chili starts spluttering, we'll add in the onion. The onion only till it turns slightly transparent. Don't saute it too much. Don't turn it into golden brown or brown in color. Now we'll add in our palak. Ensure to saute your palak really well because palak will have enough water content in it. So saute it really well. Now as you can see, the palak has got reduced in its size. Now we'll add in the turmeric. Saute the turmeric for about 10 seconds. Now we'll add in our poha. We'll add in our steamed vegetables. I'm adding the steamed vegetables in the end because this is already cooked in the steam. So you don't need to cook it further. I'll just add in the vegetables. This well. Lower the flame to full low. Close the lid and leave it like this for about 2 minutes. Doing this, we will our poha a little soft and nice. So ensure to do this. After 2 minutes, we'll just give it a stir. And now we'll turn off our heat. So now our vegetable poha is ready. We'll transfer this into our serving bowl. We'll garnish it with some shave. So there you go, our vegetable poha is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you guys really enjoyed the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.